another Stay Healthy and Waste Less class. My name is Amelia and I'm a nutrition educator with Leah's Pantry. Before we begin, I have a special announcement. Thanks to our partners Fresh Approach and San Mateo Office of Sustainability, the first 20 people to view each new video and complete a brief survey will receive a $6 voucher to buy fresh fruits and vegetables at a local farmer's market. The link will be provided at the end of this video. Okay, let's start baking. So today's theme is using up brown bananas. We're gonna be making some banana bread. Whenever I have bananas that are too brown to eat or look like they're getting there, I just pop them in the freezer and then use it later and we can turn it into banana bread. I freeze them whole and then I let them defrost before I peel them, but you can also peel them before you freeze them and then let them defrost after. So this recipe also has a few adjustments just to make it a little bit more nourishing, but it's just as tasty, I promise. So we have some flour, our sugar, applesauce, chia seeds, and then our eggs, obviously, bananas, baking soda, salt, vanilla, and cinnamon. So the chia seeds add some extra fiber. These are one of my favorite little guys. They also add omega-3s, which are considered our healthy fats, and they're essential to our health. It supports our heart health, which may improve the health and development of our babies during pregnancy and breastfeeding. They also don't change the flavor at all, and they kind of have the texture of a poppy seed once they're baked into something. To start, we'll mash up these bananas in a bowl. Peel them first. To add our applesauce. So we need half a cup of applesauce. And this is a great substitution for oil or butter. It's less fat and it also helps the bread be really moist as well as nice and fluffy. Our chia seeds, we're gonna put 5 tablespoons of chia seeds in here. So then we need 1.5 cups of flour. Also need to add in half a teaspoon of salt. We need half a teaspoon of baking soda and our cinnamon. I like to add a full teaspoon of cinnamon just to really give it some flavor, but you can add as much or as little as you want. And then I don't have a flour sifter, so I just whisk them together real quick to get out any big lumps. So then I'm just gonna add my flour mixture into my banana mixture. The key here is to just gently fold the flour and bananas together. We don't wanna overstir or it'll make our bread really dense. I'm just gonna fold it in until it's just mixed. Then I want to add my half a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that in real quick. All right, so banana batter is ready to go. Okay, so now that my mixture is ready, my oven is preheated to 350. I'm just gonna spray my bread pan, put my batter in here. All right guys, so our banana bread is done. It looks really good. I already cut up a few pieces. You can also add half a cup of walnuts or other nuts to add even more flavor and even some more fiber as well. I like to warm mine up and have it with my morning coffee, but you could also eat it as a snack. That would be really yummy too. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to fill out our online form to receive your Veggie RX vouchers. Stay healthy and waste less, everyone.